Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be going over a Python library called Deepface, and this picture that I've pulled up, it's the first one I found in a search, so I have no idea who it is, but this program is very simple to use. Basically, you put in your image path, so the location of the file on your hard drive, result equals Deepface analyze image path, and then first face equals results, bracket 0, and then you print out your results. It's a very straightforward library. So when we start the program, it goes through its normal operations. So the program looks at multiple characteristics of the facial image. It'll look at the emotional state, gender, race, and the age. And the way I've got this set up is it'll go through each of these and then also do a dominant characteristic to basically summarize the results. And in this case, the dominant characteristics are emotional state is neutral, the gender is a woman, the race is white, and the age is 31. So this is a very easy Python library to use. If you have any questions on this, let me know, and I'll see you all next time.